Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can back up your photos or whichever files you want on Google Drive. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm in Google Drive right now, and let's pretend that this here video is a photo and it is in a folder called tutorial. Now, what I'm going to do to back this up is literally just right click and make a copy. And as you will see, that will make a copy such as this, and I'm gonna create a new folder. I'll just go into my drive and right click new folder and just create an untitled folder, as you can see here. Then go back here, click on this file right here, then make a copy. Well, not a copy, this is a copy of copy. I don't want that. Right click it, and then you can organize it and move it, and then you can select a folder from here. As you can see, I have the untitled folder here. Click move, and now if I go to the untitled folder, that copy is over there. And that's pretty much the only way of backing up your photos on your drive. This will of course take up more space, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.